Welcome to Scythe. Today we'll be providing a general overview of how to use your M.52 manually. This video assumes that you are familiar with the parts of the machine and the safety basics which are covered in other videos. Let's start with using the machine with the blades off and some driving basics. To drive the machine, step on the platform and put your machine in drive mode. Take some time to practice driving the machine in a flat, open area to get comfortable using the controls before using the machine on more complex areas or engaging the blades. M.52's electric drive motors are more responsive to input than traditional internal combustion engine controls, and all mowers are different. When switching drive state modes, it is best to pause for a moment before you begin giving inputs to the machine. Sometimes you'll hear a click, which is a good indicator that the drive state has switched. Use the throttle selector to set your desired throttle. You'll use the steering control levers to move the machine. The left side steering control levers control the left drive wheel, and the right side levers control the right drive wheel. The closer you bring the steering control lever towards the reference bar, the faster the machine will go, relative to the throttle setting you have chosen. When the steering control levers are in their resting position, the machine will be stopped and the brakes will automatically engage. Push the rear steering control levers toward the reference bar to go forward. Pull the forward steering control levers backwards to go backwards. To adjust the deck height, use the height of cut selectors on the right side of the control panel. Special care should be taken when navigating curbs. The best way to go up and down a curb is to avoid them using a curb cut or other natural area that allows you to avoid the curb entirely. If not available, a curb ramp can be used. Take care not to hit a curb or drop sharply off a curb. M.52 may be heavier than some of the other mowers you have used before. When you are ready to mow manually using M.52, make sure that your blades are in good condition and sharp, and the chute is in the down position and undamaged. Step on the platform, put the machine in drive mode, set your desired height of cut, and engage the PTO from the control panel, and the blades will come on. Note, for your safety, the deck height cannot be adjusted in park mode. The blade speeds will be displayed on the control panel and can be adjusted using the menu navigation buttons on the right side of the control. Push the up arrow to increase the blade speed and the down arrow to reduce the blade speed. You can use the blade status indicators on the display to monitor for clogs. Green means the blades are operating normally, yellow means they are slower than expected, and red means it is not turning and there may be a clog. Be mindful of the direction of the spray from the chute. You can also open and close the chute blocker during manual mowing as needed. For optimal turf health, do not cut more than 25% of the turf height during a single cut. The Operator Presence Control, or OPC, is a safety feature that is designed to stop power to the blades if there is no operator detected on the platform when in drive mode. It is not meant to be used as the primary method of control for turning the blades off. It is best to turn the blades off using the PTO. You now have a basic understanding of how to manually use M.52. Let's go get mow done.